Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that when we're using a personal computer and we need to quickly save some information, we often open Notepad? For example, in my case, I create the text files all the time. And doesn't matter if I just want to save a web link, just magnet link, or I need to save a phone number, contact information, or something else. I just create the new txt file. I have around 190 txt files, and this is, just believe me, this is a lot. And when you have too many txt files, it's becoming hard to save, find something, delete, or edit the right one. How can we organize or simplify the working with text files? So right now I'm in the Philippines and I have some free time, so I decide to create a program that will make managing Notepad files easier and more convenient. My name is Andrei and this is the first video in a series where I will document my journey of creating this program. I will start from scratch, from nothing, with only minimal programming knowledge. I studied programming language around 14, maybe 15 years ago. I'm not a professional programmer and I never worked as one of the professional programmers. While I will develop this program, I have to refresh my old knowledge and maybe I will study something new. Also, I would like to mention that English is not my native language, so please don't focus too much on my pronunciation or grammar. I will do my best to make everything clear. If you would like to follow my journey from designing the user interface to debugging the final version of the program, feel free to subscribe and enjoy the videos. Once the program is finished, I will publish the magnet link and you can download and use the program for free. Alright, let me show what I want to create. First, I need to design the user interface for my program. So for that, I will use Paint to sketch a rough layout. Later we will try to recreate the user interface in Visual Studio. Let's begin. The program should have the main area for viewing and editing text files. So let's draw it here. For example, I can use this. I don't know, maybe like this. So here we will have text. Let's type text. So okay, great. Next, I need a list of all text files in a directory. I need to add an element that will display the file list. Let's draw it somewhere. I don't know, maybe here. here we will have a list. Just line. So one file, second file, third file, and others. Okay, next one. I need a small field for all file names. Also, we need few buttons. So we need buttons like save file, then delete file, and maybe new file. Just 3 small buttons. Maybe I will use just icons there. So save, delete, and new file. Oh wait, I almost forgot. So we need to add a search field. For example, here. Okay, good. Now we have a rough idea of how the program will look. Of course, I might change the layout later to make it more user-friendly. I don't know yet. We can change something. We can change the positions of the fields, of buttons, or something else. I don't know. In the next video, we will move to Visual Studio and start building the actual interface there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.